Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut audio on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to add this audio to the timeline, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can cut this audio. If we want to cut audio, we can place this pointer on the part of the audio we want to cut. For example, I'm going to cut the audio here, so I can make my audio align with my image. If we want to do that, we can use the split menu. You can use the split and then delete the unwanted audio, or you can use this type of split. Wait, I'm going to undo. Okay, you can use this one, delete right, like this. And then you can also drag the audio to cut it, like this. You can use your cursor, you can tap and hold on it, and then you can drag to cut the audio, just like this. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to cut audio on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!